Hey guys, this is Doc Neo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, another special episode kasi tech unboxing ulit tayo. And ang ating i-unbox for today is the Samsung T7 Shield SSD 1TB. Ayan, so again, very important ang storage guys kasi lagi ko itong kinekwento sa mga friends ko na even from high school, I was taking a lot of videos and photos and lahat ng digital memories, parang ganyan. Pero ngayon, kung hahanapin ko siya, wala na siya lahat, nakorap na. Because during that time, nag-burn pa ako sa CD ng data, nag-burn ako ng DVDs, tapos meron ako mga hard disk. Pero over time kasi kumbaga media, they all get corrupted eventually, parang ganyan. So the best way talaga to preserve memories, and syempre you'll never know din kasi minsan napagkakakita natin is to upload it online. Syempre YouTube pa rin, kaya kagaya nito, other than my tech content is nag-upload ako ng mga vlogs kasi it's a way of preserving memories. Kasi yun lang talaga yung way guys. Lahat ng mga lagi kong sinasabi sa mga friends ko, i-upload nyo lang na i-upload. Kasi if you just save it sa hard disk, eventually kahit yung hard disk nyo is makukorrupt. Lately, because yun nga, nag-unbox tayo ng, di ba parang bagong MacBook Pro, I got a chance to edit yung mga backlog videos ko. So, mapapansin nyo, yung last 2 travel vlogs na in-upload ko are actually last year pa. And marami pa ako na previous years pa na i-upload. So, ayun guys, pasensya na. They're not really new. Pero, ayun nga, ang isang challenge is to transfer them from hard disk to hard disk. Kasi, I'm using this pa. So, this is Western Digital, tama ba? WD na, parang hard disk. Pero ito yung meron pang motor sa loob, or kumbaga physical siya na disk drive, na external naman. So although I think this is USB 3.0, pa rin, mabagal pa rin talaga, especially when hundreds of gigabytes na yung tina-transfer. So I realized na kailangan na rin talagang ng kumbaga solid state drive, SSD drive. Because ano ba yung benefit ng SSD drive guys? So ito, since meron siyang moving parts, habang ginagamit dapat hindi dala siya gumagalaw and or mas prone to damage. Kasi nga pag nabagsak mo, may mga moving parts sa loob, madali siyang makurat ng mga files. Actually this is a protective case kasi nga pinaprotektahan niya with cushion yung hard disk na yon. So ang mga mas modern na of course is yung tinatawag na SSD or solid state drives. So guys, hindi naman kasi lahat ng nakakapanood ng videos ko are super techy, so tinatry kong explain. So ito guys, yung mga parang drives na parang mga memory cards na kumbaga wala siyang moving parts. So for example nga nito is itong SSD ng Samsung T7 Shield. This is the Shield variant kasi parang kagaya nito, meron din siyang parang protective. Meron siyang ang rating ito? IP65 rating. So, meron siyang water and dust resistance. Ayun. Advantage pa, they're small. Parang ganyan. Hindi siya madaling masira if ever you drop it. Tapos, syempre, mas mabilis. Mas mabilis talaga yung transfer speeds ito. Although, I'm using a Mac, hindi mo magagamit talaga yung maximum speeds talaga nila as compared sa Windows. Pero regardless, it's still nice to have one. Kasi nga magta-transfer ako ng malalaking files to be edited between computers. Ayan, nabubulol na ako. Ayan. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ang isang ating advantage nito is, di ba nung nauso yung from iPhone 15, if you decide to shoot ng raw file, ng sobrang lalaki, you can actually use this drive na review ko na sa YouTube. Kinakabit siya sa iPhone. Tapos, ayun, gagawa mo dala ng paraan para nakadikit siya dyan. Pero you can actually, gagawa ka ng rig. You can actually use it to save directly yung mga big files dito sa SSDs. And also, you can edit directly on this drive. So for example, nandito yung video, hindi mo na kailangan i-copy pa kung ayaw mong gawin yon. Or if for example, your laptop or your Mac or editing machine has limited storage capacity. So ayun guys, sorry, mahabang explanation, 5 minutes. This is just an unboxing video. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano laman itong Samsung T7 Shield. So actually binuksan na to kanina sa Octagon because they had to para make sure na hindi siya sira. Pero yan guys, it's made by Samsung and I chose the white. It comes in 3 colors parang blue, black, and white. But of course, dahil everything is white ito sa clinic ko, either white or black, pero I chose this white kasi mas madali siyang makita. Hindi siya kumbaga mahirap makita pag nawawala. So and guys, very lightweight siya. It's actually smaller than I thought. Ganyan lang siyang kaliit guys. Although may mga mas maliliit pang variants dito. Maybe I will unbox them later kapag nakaka-acquire ako ng mga iba pang brands. Compare natin kung ano mas okay. So yun lang naman ang laman niya. And what else? Meron siyang sa ilalim. Okay, so ito yung cable niya guys. Meron siyang dalawang klaseng cable na kasama. So USB-C to USB-A. Not sure anong particular. Kasi guys, minsan, for example ito, USB-C to USB-C. Iba't iba kasing akala natin dati, ma-unify or pare-pareho lang siya. Pero actually, iba't iba pa rin palang speeds yung capacity ng data transfer ng bawat wire. So of course, it's best to use the included wire sa anumang peripheral or gadget na bibilhin natin. And what else ang laman? Ito, portable SSD. Just some documentations, etc. Meron nga pala siyang usually 1-year warranty if you get it in a legitimate kumbaga distributor. Tapos ito siya guys. So, we'll just take a closer look. Nakalagay Samsung. Hindi siya puting-puti, parang cream white yung color niya. Tapos meron siyang LED light doon, indicator. Of course, a USB-C port. And nakalagay T7 Shield. As I said, may version pa na T7 lang. But of course, pipiliin ko to because at least meron siyang added protection from drops, water, and dust. Yan. So, ayun guys. This concludes the unboxing. Nag-work naman siya, nasubukan ko na actually. Additional knowledge din lang. I think it's already formatted in exFAT format. Pero you can always reformat it. Tapos, ang maganda sa exFAT is if you want to share data between Macs and PCs, yun yung gamitin nyo. Pero if purely Mac and iPhone lang yung gamit nyo, ano nga yun? Yung Apple form, AFPS ba yun? Or correct me if I'm wrong. Pero ayun nga, yung file format na yun ang gagamitin nyo. Pero for me, happy ako sa exFAT. Kasi I could use it also on my I can also use it with my PC to transfer files. So hey guys, this is Doc Neo. This is Samsung T7 Shield 1TB. Be informed, stay inspired. I'll see you in my next unboxing. Bye bye.